Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing my February monthly spread, and this is going to be just a visual of my monthly bills, utilizing some stickers so that way you guys can see what it looks like. I really enjoy having a monthly visual just to see where my bills are, where I'm at in the month and how much it is, and just make sure that I check it off and just track my bills and my expenses. So that's something that I really enjoy doing. But if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kat. This is CatBudgets, and I do a lot of budgeting videos here, weekly check-ins, debt tracking, and all of that fun stuff. So if that's something that you enjoy viewing and watching, then please stay. My Instagram is CatBudgets, and then my TikTok is cat_AA. And I would love to have you guys join the CatBudgets family. So if you guys could please give a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And let's go ahead and get started with my February spread, my monthly spread layout. All right, let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and flip actually to February. So this is actually my February spread. Look how pretty this is. These stickers are actually by Sara Marie Stickers. I was trying out a couple of different budgeting stickers, so I decided to give Sara Marie a try, and honestly I love the stickers. Let's see, the layouts are just so pretty. So that's for February budget, that's for debt tracker, weekly check-in, paycheck one. I only get paid once a month, so that's why I only have one paycheck. But then I like to track my bills just to make sure that the bills are getting paid, and I'm just writing them down as they get paid throughout the month, so I am aware that they got withdrawn from my account. And then variable income, I actually forgot to buy or purchase sinking funds stickers, so I'm gonna have to manually write those, and I'll update that when that occurs. But yeah, sorry about that. But okay, so I decided to do a little different. Typically I like to get the same washi for all of the pages, but this time I was like, let me do something different. I kind of wanted to try both, so I got both. I got the floral. But okay, so first things first on my agenda for my bills is actually my rent. So I don't know if I've shared this before. Yeah, I have. So I actually live in Boston, the Boston area, the greater Boston area. I am from a town called Somerville, which is like 10-15 minutes from Boston Logan Airport. So yes, the rent here is very expensive. I think I heard that we're like the second most expensive city in all of the US, I think behind New York. So rent here is very expensive. I actually live in a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment. I don't live in Somerville, but I live in a town nearby, and my roommate and I are currently splitting the rent, and my portion of the rent is actually $1,500. So let me write that down. Why? Okay. Hold on. I actually want to use these stickers. Sorry about that. So rent. I'm gonna put this here. I got these from Romina. These ones on top. So rent. Okay, and my rent is $1,500. Okay, so let's put that here. And I get paid once a month, like I mentioned, so I actually get paid on the 1st, so just in time for rent to be due. Isn't that lovely? Okay, and then on the 1st I also get charged for Apple. So I actually have a few subscriptions with Apple. I have Apple Music, Apple Storage, and Apple Care, so I just bundle all of that into one, and the total payment each month is $22.47. Okay, and that's also get charged on the 1st. Just lay that down there. Perfect. Alrighty, and then on the 5th I actually get charged my student loans, my student loan, just one of them, my private student loan, because the federal ones are currently in forbearance until the end of June. So that private student loan, I currently pay $270. My minimum is around $268 and some change, I think 38 cents or something like that. But I pay and have a automatic payment for $270. And since I get paid once a month, I want all my bills to get paid as soon as possible. So I pay $270 on the 5th. Okay, perfect. So then next is actually going to be Hulu/Spotify, because I actually have the student bundle. I was taking a class last semester and I did not continue, but I kind of took advantage and I signed up for the student pricing when I was enrolled in the class, because I ended up dropping it. But you can actually have for Spotify student, you get Hulu bundled with it for $5 a month. So pretty convenient. I love it. I pay $5 and I have Hulu and Spotify. Sign me the heck up, please. So that is $4.99 a month. Okay, next is going to be Weebly or Square Up or Square, whatever you guys want to call it. So that's the website platform. I have a website which is CatBudgets.com. I think I also mentioned before, or maybe not, but I actually have a side business doing financial coaching, and I currently have about 3 clients and have a couple of consultations coming up as well. So hopefully I get to enroll a few people. That would be really nice. But I do have a side business that's financial coaching. I do financial coaching one-on-one with my clients. I meet with them once a week for an hour, and I have a website where I'm able to have them go on and make appointments. And I list all my services there. I list a little bit about me, and it just also kind of combines in and pulls in information from my Instagram and my YouTube. So I pay $17 a month for that, and I'm just gonna call that Weebly because that's what appears on my credit card statement. So that's $17 a month just to have my website running, and that gets charged on the 9th. There we go. Okay, and then my phone bill is on the 10th. I have a family plan with a few people, my family and a couple of friends, and my portion is, I think, $75. I think it's a little less, but there's just a couple things going on there, so it's a little confusing right now. But I pay $75, or I should be paying $75. All right, next is going to be my car insurance. And I want to match the pink, so let's do this one. All right, for my car insurance, let's place that to be cute. Oh, nope. There we go. My car insurance is currently $177.54. That actually is bundled with renter's insurance, and I also get a discount because I also have life insurance, and it's all through Liberty Mutual, and that is on the 13th. That gets withdrawn. Okay, and next is the gym, which I probably should get around to either canceling or what's it called, or bringing down the payments. But that's $23.02, and I pay that every 17th. Perfect. All right, and then next is going to be Google. So I actually pay for Google Workspace because I have my domain for my website. So I am able to have, with Google Workspace, I'm able to have an email address that utilizes my domain, which is catbudgets.com. So I'm able to manage that email, and I have Google Meets and Google Appointments, like the calendar and such, and Google Sheets and all that. I know Google Sheets and Docs are all free, but having the workspace and being able to utilize my email address as a form of communication is really convenient for me, for my clients. So I pay for that, and that is $636 a month, and that's for Google Workspace. It really ties in nicely with my website. I like it a lot. Okay, and that is every 20th. Okay, and then on the 24th, I pay for my Wi-Fi, and my roommate and I are currently splitting the Wi-Fi costs. So we're each paying right now $38.50. My Wi-Fi, I think it's like 77 or 75.90 something. I don't know, but we're splitting it even. I think I'm rounding up a little bit here to be 77, but $38.50 give or take is how much we're gonna be paying for Wi-Fi each, and that's part of my budget. All right, so the 24th. Perfect. All right, and then on the 27th is actually going to be my utilities, and I think the utilities, I put it back here. Let's see. Yes, here we go. All right, so for utilities, on the 27th, we're going to have our heating gas due, and that's under my name, so I'm just gonna put heating gas for the apartment. So this month it was around 66, so I think it's gonna be a little higher. So I'm thinking that maybe it'll be around 80 for the month, so I'm just gonna put 40 just in case. If it's a little more, then I have a buffer. It's not a big deal. Okay, that's gonna be on the 27th. Hopefully that doesn't change from what it was this month. Look how cute the washi is. Oh my goodness, I love these. This is so pretty. All right, and then the electricity is actually due the following month. So electricity is due, I think, on the 8th, if I'm not mistaken, of the following month. So like, for example, for our electricity right now, our electrical bill, it's due the 8th of February, but I already paid, or my roommate and I already kind of paid the utilities out. So I like to have those paid out within the month, like the same month that we're in. So for that one, we are gonna estimate that it comes at 90. So I'll put 45 just in case. If it ends up coming a little more, like I mentioned before, I do have a buffer in my accounts. I do budget a little more, but hopefully this is what it is around. So because of the fact that it's the following month, I'm just going to put it to be the last day of the month, just to make sure that my roommate and I pay each other out. And then the last utility that we have is going to be water and sewer. Let's put that here. So water and sewer. Our water and sewer bill, I think this month was like 55, but I had seen a history of what this apartment that we are in, because I'm friends with the person that used to live here. I had seen, and we took over my roommate and I took over a sublease, a sublet. We're subletting the lease. I think it was like averaging like $70 to $90 a month. So I rather prepare for the higher end. So if it's 90 a month, I rather just budget 45 just in case for water. And that gets paid with our rent to be for the first. So I'm just gonna put that to also be on the last day of the month that gets paid out. Okay. All right. And then the last thing that I'm going to be paying is going to be my life insurance. And that is $20.93. So I pay for the life insurance, and I don't have any kids. I don't have anyone that depends on me, but I'd rather just have it now because, you know, in the future I hope to have kids and such. So I'd rather have a lower premium now than when I try to get it when I'm older and have it be more expensive. So there's that. I don't anticipate anything else. Let's see. I do have to pay my friend a concert ticket that we're gonna go see RBD. If you guys know who RBD is, a huge fan. My childhood right there, and the tickets went on sale, and I spent a pretty freaking penny. So I think I'm gonna have to dip into my savings for this just to be realistic. So this is going to be RBD tickets, and that's $11.50. I have some, like I mentioned, I have my clients that I am receiving income from because I do find their financial coaching. I help them. I'm their financial coach, my bad. So I have to pay my friend that $11.50. So that money that I receive from my clients is gonna dip into that. But I did also buy some other tickets that I'm looking to resell, and hopefully I'm able to resell them, because I didn't know that Ticketmaster doesn't let you Ticketmaster doesn't let you get the income for those tickets that you resell until 7 days after the concert. And I paid with my credit card, so that's not happening. But yeah. All right, but hopefully I'm able to put that money together to pay my friend off. Hopefully. I might have to not save and use the money from my side hustle, and also some money that I have that'll be coming in. So we'll see. I'm a little upset at how much I spent for the tickets, I'm not gonna lie, but we can talk about that when I do my February budget, because I definitely want to do my February budget so you guys can see what else I spend my money on. But yeah, that is it for this video. So this is what my February spread looks like. Isn't this wicked pretty? Look how pretty this is. Oh my god. I love the washies. I love the pinks and purples. I even like how this mint green looks with these colors. Oh my god, it's honestly wicked, wicked, wicked pretty. I love it. I love pink. I love Valentine's Day. I'm excited because Valentine's Day is the 14th, and then my boyfriend and I are going to have a year and 6 months this a couple days later. So we're going to celebrate Valentine's Day and our 1.5 year anniversary this day. So I'm really excited about that. I just wanted to share. I love, love. But yeah, if you made it this far, thank you. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Quick and simple. I hope you guys like how the colors look, because to me these are absolutely gorgeous, and these are Sara Marie stickers. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys can please give again a like, a comment, please subscribe and stay and join the CatBudgets fam. Please give me a follow over on CatBudgets on Instagram, and then my TikTok is cat_AA. And if you are interested in financial coaching, even though I'm located in Massachusetts, I can actually meet with you virtually if anyone is interested. If you are interested, please head over to catbudgets.com and take a look at the services, and we can book a consultation, and I'd be more than happy to help you. And I definitely work virtually, so I would love to help you if you have any financial goals that you are looking to accomplish. But other than that, thank you guys so much, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.